How to transfer WhatsApp chats from Android to iPhone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Then click on three dots at the top right. In here, you will find Settings option. Click on Settings. Then, in Settings, scroll down and click on Chats. Then scroll down and you will find Transfer Chats. Click on it. After you've clicked on Transfer Chats, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on Start at the bottom. After you click on Start, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Now, in your iPhone, open WhatsApp, download WhatsApp, and open WhatsApp. Then register with the same phone number, and then you will find QR code. Simply scan QR code from this app and everything will be transferred. This is how to transfer WhatsApp chat from Android to iPhone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.